Are you ready? Lasermet is excited to be gearing up for #FABTECH 2025, happening September 8th to 11th in Chicago. Looking for laser safety solutions? We've got you covered, delivering high-quality products and services to meet all your laser safety needs.
Lasermet specializes in laser safety for any laser use, any laser activity, any size, any shape. We'll keep you safe, the people inside, people out, come and see us.
We'll be at booth number B21096. Join us at McCormick Place, Chicago, Illinois, from September 8th to 11th, 2025 for FABTECH. We're looking forward to seeing you there.